Hi, everyone. So this week we are not going to have assignments in the traditional sense. I am going to have a couple little things for you because I want you to reflect on how you're doing in your English class with me. Um, so some of you are doing phenomenally, and some of you are struggling a little bit, and some of you are somewhere in between. So this week I thought we would take the opportunity to get caught up if we need to get caught up. So do you have missing assignments? You need to get those in. Did you maybe not do so well on a quiz and you want to retake it? This would be the week to do that. So this week is going to be focusing on getting those grades up if they need to be brought up. If you are one of the folks whose grade is already like maybe an A or a B in English class with me, then I would say focus on other things this week. Use the time that you would have used in my class to maybe focus on another class. But if you're getting an F or a D or even a C, then there's probably some work you need to do. Now, you know you can retake quizzes and you know that you can turn in old assignments. If you need help, please contact me. We can talk. I can come down to your classroom and talk to you one-on-one. We can talk through Google Meet. We can communicate through email, which is a little bit slower, but it still works. I'd be more than happy to come help you. So we're going to get our grades up this week. That's going to be our focus. So that's it. I guess I could go on and on because I'm pretty excited about this week because I think that a lot of people are going to take advantage of this little break in assignments and really get their grades up. So let's see how high you can get that grade, and contact me, please, if you need help. I might even come around and bug you, whether you want me to or not, because I know that you can be successful and I want to help you get there. All right, so enough of this. Now check your grades, see how your English grade looks, and if you need to get some work done, get some work done. Contact me if you need help. Have a great day.